Hi guys, welcome to our team, the Team Explorer, the team which is going to unfold many mysteries of life, the team which is going to unclose a book of exploration, and the team which is going to give you all an untold motivation to feel that we all are mystics and extraordinary. So without delay, let's start the journey to explore the universe. Do you know that everything we see, we feel and we touch are only the 4% of the entire universe? Do you know that what is known to us as knowledge is only a negligible thing with concern to the world truth? And do you know that we, the most intelligent living being in the world, are completely ignorant about the 96% of the entire truth? Is it not sounds amazing? Are we not feeling ourselves as ignorant beings? If yes, then it is okay to feel that. Because the truth is, we do not know. The world is not like this how it seems to us. We do not know the reality of the nature. We do not know the complete truth of the universe. And yes, we do not know a single percentage of the things that we can see or not. And if you go to all the libraries of the world and study all the books to know everything, still we will be ignorant. Because ignorance is the source of exploration. More we ignorant about something, more we have the chance to know. So ignorance is not a bad quality, rather it's a great possibility which opens the new doorway to a new dimension which is known as knowledge. Once Lao Tzu had spoken that to know that you do not know is the best. To think you know when you do not is a disease. And to recognize this disease as a disease is to be free of it. Yes, the real wisdom comes when one finds himself in the sphere of ignorance. And when we know more and more, we become more curious and again we try to learn more. And in this way, the learning process is on and on and on. But if we think that we know everything, then I think this will be a great stupidity. Because it stops the process of learning and the process of exploration. In simple words, ignorance is a limitless space. As much as we can travel in it, more we go to the deep of the ocean of knowledge. And this is the only motive of this channel, to open a new doorway for all to go for a journey with an enthusiastic mind and to collect the gems of knowledge. I have no any special talent, I am only passionately curious. Can you guess whose line is this? The boy who became curious when he was just only 5 years old to see a pocket compass needle presented by his father. That motion of the compass needle propelled the little boy to the long-term work on magnetic field in future. Can you imagine that boy who had failed in his university examination will be a man behind the groundbreaking discoveries on thermodynamics, quantum mechanics, cosmology and the theories of relativity? And yes, that boy got the best award of the world, the Nobel Prize, only for his curiosity. And he is no one but the great scientist of early 20th, Albert Einstein. How can we forget about the great scholar of India, Swami Vivekananda, who represented India and Hinduism in the Parliament of World Religion in Chicago? And can I say a beautiful story about him? When Swamiji was in Chicago, he used to go to the library and borrow several books and return them in a very few days to the librarian. And the confused librarian once asked Swamiji arrogantly that if he does not want to read the books, then why are he borrowing them? Because it is impossible to read those large volumes of books in some few days. But Swamiji said that he had finished reading all the books and ready for any test and can be asked any questions from any random page of those books. And yes, the librarian asked him so many questions and Swamiji answered all of them without a flaw. Is there any mystical or magical thing behind this? Do Swamiji has any supernatural power to fit all the books in his head? Absolutely not. The only supernatural power he has was the eagerness to know, the enthusiasm to gain knowledge, which has made Swamiji an outstanding great scholar. And yes, you can also be the great among the greatest. You can also be the superhero of your own intelligence if you have the eagerness to seek, and that quest will take you in the crest of success in your life one day that you deserve. The only thing is to realize that potential which is hidden in you, to uplift that consciousness which has been sleeping in you till now, and to explore the real hidden truth in each atoms of the world. It's the time. It's the time to not to waste the priceless time in falseful vain of a small limited knowledge and to close the path of wisdom in life. Rather, it's the time to travel a great journey. And yes, we cannot travel through light, but yes, we can travel to the light, and this is the only aim for now, to learn more and to explore more, because we are the soul of Team Explorer.